Bisola Ajimobi Koladaisi, the eldest daughter of the late former governor of Oyo State, Bisola Ajimobi, has passed away at the age of 42. She reportedly died in the early hours of Thursday, March 27, 2025, in the United Kingdom. Until her demise, Bisola served as the special advisor to the Minister of Budget and Planning, Atiku Bagudu. A former aide to the late governor, Bolaji Tunji, confirmed the incident to journalists in Ibadan on Thursday, saying yes, it has been confirmed. Bisola, who was married to Kolapo Koladaisi, was known for her contributions to governance and public service. Her death comes as another painful blow to the Ajimobi family, following the passing of her father in 2020. We will continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.